Hello everybody, this is me again from JR Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning. Today I'm here in Parker, Colorado in Mr. and Mrs. Larson's house. I came here to do the consultation 1 month ago, and immediately after I explained the process to the customer to do a full sanding or a screen and recoat, they rather to go with a screen and recoat because the kind of wood that they have, they don't want to lose the texture that it has in the surface. So, but I will show you in a little bit. So this house is around 1,060 square feet that we are gonna be doing, like I said, a screen and recoat, and I will tell you why. Let me flip it out the camera and show you guys where I'm at. All right, like I said, here in Parker, Colorado, it's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day, beautiful neighborhood here in the area. But anyway, guys, let me show you what I'm gonna be doing today. So, look at this. As you guys can see in the first scene, maybe you can think that is hand scraped engineered hardwood floor, but no, it's a solid hardwood floor. It's a hand scraped solid hardwood floor, so which means this floor can be sanded. But what is the difference between sanding and screen and recoat? That if we sand it out everything, he's gonna lose all the texture that it has in the surface, and the customer doesn't want that. So that is why we are gonna be doing a screen and recoat, just to take away all the micro scratches, scuff marks, and then apply new coat of finish. Also, you can see that it's very shiny. This floor is like a semi-gloss or gloss, the finish that it has on it, but we are gonna reduce it to satin finish. So this is the kitchen with the living room, dining room, and also this hallway all the way here until there. So yeah, this is it. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, I'm back here to show you the floor that we already screened everything, vacuum, clean, and of course we did a lot of color correction in different spots around the whole floor. Around here in the kitchen, it was one of the worst area. Right here as well. And look at this floor. It looks so much better so far, with all the color correction, no micro scratches, no scuff marks. So yeah, this floor is just ready to apply the finish. Now we have it here. Just stay tuned. Okay, and this is the final result. Look at this. Such a good improvement what the customer got here. Looks so much better. It doesn't have too much shine at all. Is what the main concern of the customer, that they want to reduce the sheen, and also of course take away the macro scratches, scuff mark, and don't mess up with the character of the floor. That is why we did a screen and recoat and not full sanding. But yeah, guys, this is it. Stay tuned.